Hey everybody, and welcome to my channel. For those of you who are new, thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I use the hair paint wax and the Gemini Naturals. I'm using both brands today because I wanted to do a comparison and I just wanted to see which product kind of worked better or if they both work the same. So I started in the back left quadrant of my hair, and I started by spritzing it with water, and then I added some leave-in conditioner. My hair can tend to be a little dry, so I wanted to make sure that I added some moisture into my hair before adding the hair paint wax. I further separate my hair into a smaller section because I'm going to be doing a twist out with this style. Once I have my hair divided into a smaller section, I then go in and detangle that section. I previously detangled my hair right after washing it, so that's why it was so easy for me to just detangle. So as you guys can see, I'm using the hair paint wax first on the bottom left side, and I'm using, as you guys can see, the purple. And as you can see, it's depositing really pigmented. Then I'm going in and I'm adding the pink on the bottom. And I started by adding actually the cranberry by Gemini Naturals, but I'm going to change up how I add the colors. So I started with hair paint wax on the top and Gemini Naturals on the bottom for this twist. I wanted a little more consistency in what colors I use, so I know exactly which side is which. So instead of using the Gemini Naturals on the bottom and the hair paint wax on the top, for the entire left side for the rest of the twist, I'm going to be using Gemini Naturals on the left side and hair paint wax on the right side. I'm loving how the Gemini Naturals is gliding onto my hair. With my twist, I can tell that they're nice and moisturized, and I can tell that they're going to set really nice. So yeah, I love how Gemini Naturals is depositing onto my hair. Because Gemini Naturals is a hair paint gel, it's definitely going to deposit a little more smoothly than the hair paint wax. So as I stated before, on the right side of my hair, I'll be using the hair paint wax brand, and I'm using the purple on the top and the pink on the bottom. They don't really have the colors labeled, but I'm just calling them purple and pink because that's what color they are. As far as how the product glides onto my hair, the hair paint wax brand is much more thick, hence the name wax. So it doesn't have the same glide ability as the hair paint gel. Hey guys, so it's the next day and I'm getting ready to take my twist out, and I just wanted to make sure you guys know that on my left side, on this side, I used the Get Hued Cranberry on the bottom, and I used the Get Hued Midnight on the top. On my right side, I used the hair paint wax, purple hair paint wax, pink on the bottom. So I'm gonna go ahead and speed up the video while I'm taking my hair down so that we can get into the results. If you're enjoying this content so far, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, everybody, so I am officially finished with taking down my twist, and I have to say I absolutely love the results that I'm seeing. Okay, so as I stated earlier, on my left side I used the Get Hued brand, and I used purple or the Midnight on the top and cherry on the bottom. And these are the results from that. On my right side, I used hair paint wax. And these are the results from that side. So as you can see, both sides deposited very well, and I absolutely love the color. So the Midnight color is definitely more like on a metallic side versus the hair paint wax. It's more just depositing like just straight purple. I absolutely love how both colors don't actually look like wax. They look like color, like straight up color. I was doing someone's hair earlier today before I took my twist out, and my client actually said, "I love your hair color, your new hair color," and she couldn't tell that it wasn't actually color. So I'm loving these results. Now let's talk about the texture. So as you guys can see, I have some really nice definition. On the Get Hued side, as I'm feeling, my hair feels really soft. It feels really lightweight and it's moving really nicely. It has some nice movement. The curls themselves are nice and springy. So yeah, I really love that. On the hair paint wax side, it's actually just as well. It's a little more firm. It's not as soft, but it is still soft. I have some really nice definition, and as you guys can see, it's coming off a little bit on my hands, but I put some oil on my hands first and then I took all of the twists out, so it could be a combination of the oil and the wax coming off on my hands. But as far as fallout, I am experiencing a lot of fallout, but that is simply because I am manipulating my hair. So definitely wear like a shirt that is textured like this, that has a lot of different colors, that matches your color that you have applied to your hair, so that it doesn't look like fallout. Definitely wouldn't recommend wearing a white shirt with this, or like just a solid shirt whenever you're wearing this kind of color. But y'all, I absolutely love this. I will definitely rock this all week long. Now this is day one hair, so I'm gonna keep it like this for today. I am not gonna take these these sections apart, not until tomorrow. For day 2 hair. So I'm gonna leave it like this for day 1 hair, and then I will show you guys what day 2 hair looks like. But y'all, it's amazing. I love it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and thumbs up to let me know you love the content. Also, please press the notifications bell. That way you can get the heads up every time I upload a new video. Thank you for watching. Bye.